Hey, good morning, traders. It is Wednesday, February 17th, 6:42 a.m. Central. And on the calendar today, we have PPI that may move the markets a little bit, um, and also the Fed meeting minutes coming out this afternoon. So be careful for that also. But the PPI definitely, again, as an inflation guide to direct the future interest rate hikes, and they're anticipating a minus 0.2%. So not much inflation on the horizon as we've been enjoying filling our tanks up for very cheap gas. Looking at the markets, we got our half gap fill on the NQ yesterday. Let me pull over the chart to the NQ. And I'm looking at this as a bear flag now. The move was retraced halfway on the daily to the high of the February 10th bar and then continued up. But we're getting into all this resistance now. So I have my resistance line set in, and I think that we might be at nearing the top of this current move. The weekly is still very bearish for momentum. So I'm going in the direction of the weekly momentum and will be looking for any excuse to fade this market. So here is my fade area on the NQ, 4140. And I'll be hitting my little sell button pretty soon. A few more points. And you see we have the divergence on this already setting up. We have a higher high. We have my daily higher, actually, resistance coming up at 41.33, but we have R2 and yesterday 161.8, and we have divergence. So we've already got our reversion to the mean trade setting up. It's just whether I take it here or wait for R2. I think I'll wait for R2 somewhere around here before I take my move back down. Looking at the E-mini, it's basically the same, except for the measured move, but might be a little bit more pronounced. We had one move up here, and then if you put that here, you go right into the resistance area for a measured move back down. So we might get a little bit more run on the ES than we do the NASDAQ today. So that might be, I'm going to be watching that to trade that up at the open also, because I've got a little bit more distance to run up on the ES than I do on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's is pretty topped out and may be the leader, the down leader today, pushing this down. Going over to crude, we have a situation in the China Sea with Taiwan, and that may be the reason that we've gotten a little bit of a pop this morning on crude. So anytime you have some developments coming out of potential conflicts that will cause the price of crude oil to rise, don't ask me why. It's like it has no bearing. Seriously, it has nothing to do with the tea in China. Is that a saying? But the price will rise a little bit, and we have some room to run on a measured move also, if this were a measured move. So there is a little bit of upside move, and we've got upside stochastic. So and we have the divergence. So I'm still bullish on crude, and will be looking to trade long with my direction exceeding yesterday's high. So I'll be looking favorably long in crude today also. So y'all have a good day. Be careful of those minutes coming out at 1 o'clock Central. And maybe we can get some trades off of that. And we'll get some trades off of this PPI and maybe some building permits. Have a good day, and put it on, let me show you. Put it on your longs. Got some great runs in Globex. Look at that. So maybe we can get some other great runs coming down this, get through this bear flag or bull flag. That flag. As soon as it pops out of that flag and starts running again, that's when you want to get involved. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.